Smash that like button. If you guys can get this video up to 300 likes, I'm going to give away a pair of Jordan 11 DMPs. So make sure you guys smash that like button and make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Smash that subscribe button. Comment down below. Let me know your size in the DMP 11s. And then take a picture, take a screenshot, DM me proof on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Send me proof that you guys subscribed to my YouTube channel. Good luck on the Jordan 11 DMP giveaway. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Let's get this video up to 300 likes so we can activate the Jordan 11 giveaway. If you need sole protectors for your sneakers, click the link down below in the description. Use my code Danny10 for 10% off your order from Drip Grip, the best sole protectors on the market. No slips, no tears, multiple wears. Link down below in the description. Use my code Danny10 for 10% off your order. Jordan Brand is back, giving us another retro of a sneaker that released over a decade ago. They're doing it again, this time with the Air Jordan 3 Fear. The Fear Jordan 3's release on November 25th. Retail is $210. I'm going to tell you guys right now everything you need to know about the Air Jordan 3 Fear. Retail is $210. Will the Fear 3 sell out? I don't think so. I think these are going to be a very easy cop, a very walk in the park cop. You should not have a problem copping a pair as long as you put in the footwork. If you want them, go after them on release day, $210, and you should be good to go. There should be a lot of stock. Stock is going to be a very, very, very high. We're going to see plenty of pairs, and I think these will sit for a little while. They will sell out eventually, but I do think it'll be a slower sellout, so I don't think they'll be too hard at all to get. Go true to size. You have all gray, a dark gray upper, all in that nubuck material. And then around the mudguard, you do have the elephant print as well as this hairy material. It's very rough to the touch. It's like a cracked suede almost going around. Very, very tough. And then you do have the midsole that does have that gradient effect. You do have the orange going on. Very, very nice on the inside there. I like that. The Air unit, orange. Dope. Jumpman as well in orange, a bright orange. Your elephant print is very dark, which is really nice. You have grays in there. Very, very nice. And you just have a great quality nubuck upper. They did a really good job with the material. It's soft. Now you do have black laces, a black tongue. That orange, total orange, really does pop on the Jumpman as well as on the back Jumpman as well. It just pops. The orange hits pop on this sneaker a lot. The outsole, you have an all dark, kind of like a smoky dark outsole with orange hits, and then your orange Jumpman hit as well. Black sock liner, very, very nice, easy. You're not gonna have a problem wearing that at all. With sock lint, not gonna be a problem. And then you do have the black insole with an orange Jumpman. The orange hits on this sneaker pop. They're loud, they're bright. They gave us a new box, which is really awesome. They gave us a nice bright box. You have black with all the writing on it and a bright orange Jumpman. The colorway on the box is Night Stadium Total Orange. So that's the Total Orange and Night Stadium for the gray. Dark gray vibes to this sneaker. Easy to wear, easy to match. I think you guys are going to have a lot of fun wearing them. And it's just a great release. We haven't seen these released since 2013. Back here in 2023, 10 years later, Jordan Brand is doing it again. They're giving us these older retros, bringing them back. It's not an OG, but it is a good pair of retros, just re-retroed later on here, and I'll take it. I think it's a great pair. Go true to size, and make sure you guys cop up. I don't think there's going to be any resale value, so if you're looking to make money, stay away from them. I do think that these are not going to be very profitable, and we'll see them be a slower sellout. Could they go under retail? Definitely. They definitely could go under retail with everything going on in the market right now. Absolutely. So, hey, if you guys definitely want to wait it out, you might want to wait it out. If not, go ahead and pick them up for retail. It's a great pair of Jordan 3s. Jordan Brand has been killing it this year with the Air Jordan 3 and the Fear. Very nice to see these back. Now, Jordan Brand, can you give us the 4s? Can you give us the Fear 4s? What about the 5s? You're giving us the 3s kind of out of nowhere. Will they retro the 4s? Will they retro the 5s? We'll have to wait and see. But we are getting this Saturday November 25th, for 210, we are getting the Air Jordan 3 Fear. If you guys plan on copping a pair, please comment down below a bunch of fire emojis. If you guys are not copping for whatever reason, please comment a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who's going to cop the Fear 3s and who's not. True to size, 210, and release date, November 25th, the day after Black Friday. This is the Black Friday drop for Jordan Brand right here, the Black Friday drop. Fear Jordan 3s. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Make sure you guys like this video and make sure you guys subscribe, because if you guys can get this video 300 likes, I'm going to give away a pair of Jordan 11 DMPs for December. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and smash that like button. Copper drop Fear 3s. Let me know down below in the comments. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.